first discuss RAM memory. Random access memory. So guys, do you know what does random access mean here? Random access means that CPU can directly access any address location of RAM memory. That is why it is named as random access memory, and it is very quickly accessible. RAM is a volatile memory. It stores the data till the power is switched on. Once the power goes off, the whole data in RAM gets erased, and it only stores data which has to be currently processed. The storage capacity of RAM is high, ranging from 64 MB to 16 GB. RAM is the fastest and costliest memory of the computer. Because of its speed, it is very expensive. It is a read-write memory of the computer, which means the processor can read the instructions from the RAM and write the result to the RAM. That's how data can be modified in RAM. There are two types of RAM. First is static RAM, second is dynamic RAM. Static RAM is one which requires the constant flow of the power to retain the data inside it. Here the interrupted power could result in loss of data. The static RAM is made up of transistors and latches. Static RAM is faster and more expensive than dynamic RAM. It is mainly used as cache memory for the computer. While dynamic RAM needs to be refreshed to retain the data it holds. Because capacitors are used in the construction of dynamic RAM, and capacitor has a charge leakage property. That's why dynamic RAM requires a separate refresh circuit. It is slower and cheaper than static RAM, and it is highly dense. Now let's discuss ROM memory, read-only memory. Unlike RAM, the ROM memory can't be directly accessed by CPU. The data first transferred to the RAM, and then CPU can access that data from the RAM. ROM is a non-volatile memory. The data inside the ROM retains even if the power of the CPU is switched off. The capacity of ROM is comparatively smaller than RAM. It is slower and cheaper than RAM. The data in ROM can only be read by CPU. That's why it is said read-only. The data in ROM cannot be modified. ROM stores the instruction that computer requires during bootstrapping. I think you guys must be aware about bootstrapping process. It is a self-starting process where the basic softwares are loaded into the computer memory after power on or on a reset. Basically there are three types of ROM: PROM, EPROM and EEPROM. First, PROM, programmable ROM. It can be modified only once by the user. The PROM chip have small fuses which are burned open during programming. That's why it is not erasable. Second, EPROM, erasable and programmable ROM. The content of this ROM can be erased using ultraviolet rays, and the ROM can be reprogrammed. During programming, an electrical charge is trapped in an insulated gate region. The charge can be retained for more than 10 years because the charge has no leakage path. For erasing this charge, ultraviolet light is passed through a quartz crystal window for about 40 minutes. This exposure to ultraviolet light dissipates the charge. At last we have EEPROM, electrically erasable and programmable ROM. It can be erased electrically and reprogrammed about 10,000 times. Both erasing and programming in EEPROM takes about 4 to 10 milliseconds. It is flexible because any location in EEPROM can be selectively erased and programmed, but only one byte is erased at a time rather than entire chip. That's why it is kind of slow. So guys, here we have a comparison chart which shows a substantial difference between RAM and ROM memory. RAM stands for random access memory, whereas ROM stands for read-only memory. RAM is readable and writable. On the other hand, ROM is only readable. RAM is used to store the data that has to be currently processed by the CPU temporarily. In contrast, ROM stores the instruction required during bootstrap of the computer. RAM is a volatile memory. as against ROM is a non-volatile memory. Data in RAM can be modified. Conversely, data in ROM cannot be modified. RAM sizes from 64 MB to 16 GB. On the contrary, ROM is comparatively smaller than RAM. There are two types of RAM, static RAM and dynamic RAM, whereas ROM have three types, PROM, EPROM and EEPROM. RAM is very expensive memory, while ROM is comparatively cheaper than RAM.